Namaskar. Today in this video we will study azeotropic mixtures. This topic demands proper explanation and proper understanding, and I am sure I will provide you the proper explanation and you will provide proper understanding to yourself. So let us start azeotropic mixtures. Azeotropic mixtures are constant boiling mixtures. They are constant boiling mixtures and they can distill without any change in their composition. There are 2 points that their boiling points are constant and they can distill with the same composition. There will be no change in their composition. There are 2 types: minimum boiling azeotrops and maximum boiling azeotrops. Let us take an example to study minimum boiling azeotrops. Suppose I have taken ethyl alcohol and water. The boiling point of ethyl alcohol is 78.5 degrees Celsius and that of water is 100 degrees Celsius. And obviously, if I will heat, then the vapors of ethyl alcohol, because its boiling point is lower, so vapors of ethyl alcohol will be more and they will distill to more extent in this container, because their boiling point is lower, so their distillation will be more, and here ethyl alcohol will be more in comparison to water. But there is a noteworthy point that when ethyl alcohol is 95% and when water is about 5%, then this mixture attains 78 degrees Celsius temperature, and this is the constant boiling temperature. And now at this temperature, both ethyl alcohol and water will equally evaporate and condensate to the same extent, to the same composition. At 78 degrees Celsius, 95% ethyl alcohol and 5% are evaporate, and here again the same composition is obtained. So such type of mixtures are called minimum boiling azeotropic mixtures, because their boiling point is lower than both the components. Graphically, if we explain the minimum boiling azeotrop, let us take ethyl alcohol, or you can write the temperature of ethyl alcohol 78.5 degrees Celsius, and here C2H5OH and here H2O, its boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. Now the composition of the mixture is 95% ethyl alcohol, so it will be more towards this side, and as the boiling point is lower, so this is that boiling point of the mixture. Let us connect it with dotted lines. This is 95% ethyl alcohol, and this is the boiling point or constant boiling point of the mixture, azeotropic mixture. And we know that these constant boiling mixture, in this case, when they attain minimum boiling point, they show positive deviations from the ideal behavior. Minimum boiling azeotrops always show positive deviations from the ideal behavior. So graph will be upward. So graph will be upward this to this straight line. So this is the graphical representation of minimum boiling azeotrophs, and likewise we can easily understand this is minimum boiling azeotrophs, and we can easily understand maximum boiling azeotrophs. So the example of maximum boiling azeotroph is when HCl is 20.2% and when water is 79.8%. The boiling point of HCl is minus 85 degrees Celsius and that of water is 100 degree Celsius, and at this composition the boiling point of the mixture is 108.6 degree Celsius, and this boiling point is higher than both the components, so such mixtures are called maximum boiling azeotrophs. And graphically the representation will be like this. This is water, suppose this is HCl, and boiling point of HCl is minus 85 degrees Celsius and that of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Now there are 2 points to be noted. The boiling point of the mixture is higher. The boiling point of the mixture is higher to both the components, so it will be upward. And second thing is the composition of HCl is 20%. So that point will be more towards water because the extent of HCl is just 20% and water is 80%. So that point will be more towards water. Say this is that point. Let us connect it with the dotted lines. This is the composition where 20.2% HCl is present. 20.2% HCl is present and more extent of water is present, so this point is more towards water. So this is the boiling point of maximum boiling azeotropic mixture, and maximum boiling azeotropic mixtures show negative deviations. So the graphical curve will be like this. So the graphical curve will be like this, and this is the boiling point of the maximum azeotropic mixture. In case of minimum boiling point, this point is lower to both the components, and in case of maximum boiling point, this point is above both the components. And the other noteworthy point, as I have mentioned, that minimum boiling azeotropic mixtures show positive deviations and maximum boiling azeotropic mixtures show negative deviations. So this was the azeotropic mixture, and the examples were minimum boiling azeotrophs and maximum boiling azeotrophs. Thank you very much.